How to fix YouTube video caption not working? Here's how. Firstly, open the YouTube app on your device. After that, click on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Then click on the gear icon at the top right. Next, scroll down to Video and Audio Preferences section and select Caption, and make sure the Show Caption is enabled. If this doesn't resolve the issue, go back to the home screen. Furthermore, press and hold the YouTube icon. Then choose App Info from the menu. Likewise, click on Storage. Then hit Clear Data at the bottom. Now click on Clear Cache and confirm your action to remove temporary files. Finally, go to the Play Store and search for YouTube and check for updates to ensure you are using the latest version. And that's it. By following this step, you now know how to fix YouTube video caption not working.